Today, I want to explain a visibility problem that's starting to show up across the artificial turf industry and really across local businesses in general. Many companies are seeing strong website traffic and solid rankings in search, but they're not being mentioned by AI systems like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity. This creates a disconnect. Your website may appear successful by traditional SEO metrics, yet still be invisible in AI-generated answers. And the reason is simple. Visibility in the AI era isn't about traffic. It's about validation. I'm Kevin Sullivan, founder of the Turf Network, an industry infrastructure platform built specifically for artificial turf. To understand the problem, we need to understand how discovery is changing. Traditional search engines rank pages. They return a list of results based on signals like keyword relevance, backlinks, and click behavior. AI systems work differently. Instead of returning a list of links, they generate direct answers. To do that, they reference entities they recognize and trust. So the goal is no longer just ranking a page. The goal is becoming a recognized entity that AI systems are confident enough to cite. Most turf companies have enough content to rank, but not enough structure to be cited. Traffic isn't everything. And this is where a lot of companies get misled. Traffic simply measures how many people visit your website, but AI systems aren't looking at visitor counts. They are evaluating structure. When an AI system analyzes your site, it's looking at things like how your pages are organized, whether locations are clearly defined, and whether services and products are structured in a way machines can understand. So high traffic can actually mask deep structural problems. An AI system evaluating your website sees the architecture, not the analytics dashboard. Here is a quick visibility test you can run in about 30 seconds. Open any AI assistant, ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity, and ask, who installs artificial turf near me? Then, look closely at the response. Is your business mentioned? Is your location correctly identified? Are your services accurately described? If not, it usually means AI systems don't fully understand your business yet. And if they don't understand it, they won't recommend it. A useful way to think about this shift is the difference between ranking and citation. Ranking measures how relevant your page appears in search results. It's like being listed in a directory. You're visible, but you're just one option among many. Citation is different. Citation means an AI system recognizes your business as credible enough to reference directly. Instead of appearing on a list, you're quoted by name in an answer. AI models don't just rank pages, they validate entities. And in the AI era, citation is becoming the new currency of discoverability. Most turf companies still optimize their websites for three traditional goals: ranking, traffic, and leads. But AI systems evaluate something different. They focus on three signals: identity, structure, validation. If any of these signals are weak or inconsistent, AI systems may skip over your business entirely. When AI decides which companies to reference, it relies on three confidence signals. The first is entity matching. This means your business identity, like name, address, and phone number, is consistent across the web. The second is structured data and content architecture. Your site needs a clear hierarchy that machines can interpret. That includes things like structured location pages, service pages, application pages, product pages, schema markup, and semantic page structure. The third signal is external validation. AI systems look for references from directories, supplier networks, and authoritative industry sources that confirm the legitimacy of your business. These signals form what I call the AI visibility framework, a simple way to understand how AI systems decide whether a business is credible enough to cite. It has 3 layers. The first layer is identity. Your business information must be consistent across every platform and touchpoint. The second layer is architecture. Your website needs structured pages for locations, services, applications, and products. The third layer is validation. External references confirm that your business is credible and relevant. When these 3 layers align, AI systems gain the confidence needed to cite your business. If one layer is weak, the entire structure becomes less reliable. This is also the foundation of an AI visibility audit. An audit evaluates 3 groups of signals. First are identity signals, things like business name consistency, Google Business Profile data, and NAP alignment. Second are architecture signals. That includes location page structure, service and product separation, and internal linking relationships. Third are validation signals. They come from industry directories, supplier references, and review platforms. Together, these signals determine how confident an AI system is when deciding whether to cite your business. In the turf industry specifically, we tend to see several recurring structural issues. One is multi-location confusion, where companies serve multiple areas but don't have dedicated pages for those locations. Another is product naming inconsistency, where the same turf product is described differently across pages or listings. We also see overloaded home pages, where every service is packed into a single page with no hierarchy. And finally, many companies are missing third-party citations from industry directories or supplier networks. Each of these issues makes it harder for AI systems to understand your business. Another common misconception is that publishing more content will solve visibility problems, but AI systems do not prioritize content volume. They prioritize clarity and coherence. Thin pages, duplicate content, or contradictory information across listings can actually reduce AI confidence. In most cases, structure matters more than volume. AI systems consistently prefer clarity over content quantity. Fortunately, the structural fixes are usually straightforward. The first is creating dedicated location pages for each service area. Second is organizing products and services into clear categories. Third is building internal links between related topics, connecting location pages to services, services to products, products to applications, applications to locations, and so on. Fourth is establishing industry directory listings that create external validation signals. These improvements dramatically increase how clearly AI systems can interpret your business. If we break down the process, there are 5 key steps. First, audit your data. Clean up your NAP information and remove inconsistencies. Second, fix your architecture. Build clear location and service pages. Third, add structured data, including schema markup. Fourth, expand citations through directories and industry networks. And finally, monitor AI inclusion by testing how AI assistants describe your business. Each step builds on the last. Skipping the early steps usually limits the effectiveness of everything that follows. There are 4 key takeaways. First, clarity beats volume. A focused, well-structured site usually outperforms a large but disorganized one. Second, ranking attracts attention, but it does not guarantee AI inclusion. Third, citations build trust. Being cited by AI systems signals that your business is verifiable. And fourth, structure determines inclusion. AI systems don't recommend the most popular businesses. They recommend the ones that are easiest to verify. The most important point to remember is this: structural confidence determines AI visibility. If AI systems cannot clearly understand your business, they won't recommend it. Most turf companies assume the website is working, but very few have actually tested how AI systems interpret their structure. That's what the AI visibility diagnostic evaluates. It looks at identity signals, site architecture, and external validation, the same signals AI systems use when deciding which companies to cite. If you're curious where your structure stands, it's worth running a quick audit before investing in more content, backlinks, or additional locations. If you're in the artificial turf industry and want infrastructure-focused education like this, consider subscribing. We're building long-term structural clarity, not marketing hype. Thanks for watching.